Need to figure out the true cost of owning a boat? Let me show you how to get a complete breakdown in under a minute. We're using the Boat Ownership Cost Calculator at foundthetool.com. Start by entering the value of the boat you have in mind. Let's say you're financing it with a monthly loan payment of $425. Next, enter your yearly insurance cost. For a boat this size, around $800 a year is a reasonable estimate. Now add your monthly storage or marina fees. We'll use $175 per month for a covered slip. Enter your estimated yearly maintenance costs. Things like winterizing, engine service, and repairs can add up. We'll put in $2,000. Finally, add your average monthly fuel costs. If you're out on the water most weekends, $125 a month is a fair estimate. The calculator instantly totals everything up. Let's scroll down to see the full result. There it is, a clear annual and monthly cost summary, so you can see exactly what you're committing to before you sign anything. You can also expand the breakdown to see how each expense contributes to the total. Great for spotting where you might be able to cut costs. Try the Boat Ownership Cost Calculator for yourself at foundthetool.com. Link is in the description. Know your numbers before you hit the water.